Unless you've lived under a rock for the past few months, you would have heard about Walmart's latest streaming product, which many hail as the new Firestick killer. Well, I've managed to get my hands on one to check it and see if it really does live up to the hype. In this video, I'll share my thoughts on its features and performance. Stay tuned to find out if it's worth considering. Let's dive in. It's really important to protect your sensitive information while using the internet. The good news is that NordVPN can help keep your data safe and secure. Plus, Nord is more than just a VPN, with added benefits such as freeing you from any streaming restrictions. Don't miss out on the best VPN deal available right now. Check out the links provided in the description to get started and stay protected. Walmart's new On 4K Pro streaming device is a strong competitor to Amazon Fire TV products and a budget-friendly option. This streaming box boasts several impressive features such as Google TV, Dolby Vision, Dolby Atmos, 4K streaming and Wi-Fi 6. It is powered by a quad-core processor, 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of storage, all available for less than $50, making it a steal for its capabilities. Upon unboxing, you'll find a quick start guide followed by the 4K Pro device. It's wrapped in a protective cover with clear labelling, and this makes it easy to connect the necessary wires to your TV. This device also doubles as a Google Assistant speaker for convenient hands-free control and is covered with black fabric for a sleek look. It includes various ports such as a power port, USB 3.0 port, an HDMI port, a 100 megabits per second Ethernet port, and a reset button. Additionally, there is a switch to activate or deactivate the microphone and a power button at the front for easy access. Inside the box, you'll also find a power adapter, an HDMI cable, and the remote control, which requires 2 AAA batteries included in the box. The device is powered by an Amlogic S905X4 quad-core Cortex A55 processor and a Mali G31 graphics processor. It's a little disappointing that Walmart used a mid-range processor that is around 5 years old. However, the processing power is boosted by an impressive upgrade to 3 GB of RAM and 32 GB of internal storage. The device runs on Android 12 and supports Wi-Fi 6. The remote is a nice size and easy to use. It has all the typical buttons you'd expect to find on a remote, such as volume control, home, settings, and 4 quick launch buttons for popular apps. It also has a little star button at the top, which allows you to program it to launch your favourite app instantly or perform an action. Now, surprisingly, this shortcut button will even enable you to pick a side-loaded app, which can be any app you like. It also has a profile button, so you can easily switch between Google accounts, which is great if you have kids or share the device with others. However, earlier units came with a basic remote, which is the one I have. Once all of these units have been sold, Walmart has clarified that they will switch to an upgraded version of the remote in all newer units. The upgraded version includes a backlit function and a big blue live TV button. If getting the upgraded remote is important to you, check the side of the box for the barcode. If the number is 2408A, it will have the basic remote inside. Look for 2409A if you want the upgraded one. The Google TV interface shares some similarities with the Fire TV. Both have a large advertisement displayed at the top of the screen, followed by recommendations below. However, unlike the Fire TV, Google TV has fewer options displayed at the top of the screen. These options include For You, which is the home screen, Movies and Shows tabs to browse between movies and TV shows, Apps with direct access to the App Store and your installed apps, and Library, where you can find your watch list and rentals. Additionally, you can find the Search and Settings options on the other side of the screen. Navigation of the ON 4K Pro is smooth and responsive thanks to the extra RAM that this device is equipped with. Apps load quickly and switching between them is a breeze. Streaming a 4K movie is a seamless experience with no lag or buffering. However, there is some lag when skipping to different parts of the video. Most popular streaming services like Disney+, YouTube, Prime Video and Netflix are officially supported for 4K streaming with a 4K subscription. However, apps like iPlayer or ITVX are not officially supported but can be sideloaded. Playing basic games works well. The graphics are nice and smooth. However, I can't say the same about my driving, which does not reflect how I drive in real life, by the way. I'm actually much worse. The ON 4K Pro has an upgraded amount of storage with 32 GB of space for more apps and saved media. This beats the 16 GB storage capacity of the Fire TV Cube and the new Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Upon checking the storage space, we have 23 GB of usable space, which is plenty enough for many apps and games. External storage can be easily added to the device by inserting a USB drive, which supports FAT32 and exFAT formats. You can easily browse the contents of your drive using a media player or set up the drive as additional storage without any hassle. I used the Analytics Speed Test app and ran a quick test to check the Wi-Fi speed. The test results showed that I can achieve fast speeds of 419 megabits per second, which is more than enough for streaming in 4K. You can use the Ethernet port for a wired connection, but it has a speed of 100 megabits per second instead of it being a gigabit port, so your speed will be limited if you connect this way. If you want to achieve even faster speeds, you can connect a gigabit Ethernet adapter to the USB port. And this will allow you to reach speeds over 800 megabits per second if your internet package is fast enough. If you'd like to see a video demonstrating how to do this, let me know in the comments below. According to Geekbench 5 benchmarking tests, the ON 4K Pro streaming device scored 476 in multi-core processing. This ranks the device at number 10 on my list of reviewed devices, coming in at a lower rank than the Fire TV Stick 4K Max and the Google Chromecast, as the ON 4K Pro scored less in the tests. It even scored slightly less than Walmart's 2021 release of their 4K box. While these results may seem disappointing, considering this device is Walmart's Pro device, it's worth noting that benchmarking tests only test the hardware to its limits and may not reflect real-world performance. Nevertheless, scores can help compare the raw performance capabilities of different devices. If you want to install other apps on this device from places other than the Google Play Store, there are no issues doing that whatsoever. Like Fire TV, you can enable developer options, install downloader, and allow downloader permission to install unknown apps from other places like my website. If you want to check out my detailed tutorial on how to do that, check out the video in the link above or in the description below. When comparing the ON 4K Pro to Fire TV products in terms of specifications and price, on paper it seems to outperform most 4K devices in the Amazon Fire TV range. However, benchmarking tests indicate that it's not as powerful as the Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and unfortunately the Pro label doesn't massively live up to its name or the hype. Nonetheless, the ON 4K Pro offers good value for the money, and choosing it over a Fire TV Stick is entirely up to you. It certainly wouldn't be a bad choice to make. If you want to check out the ON 4K Pro streaming device, you can purchase it from Walmart. A direct link to it is in the description and pinned comment below. Now, unfortunately for my UK viewers, however, the ON streaming devices from Walmart are only available in the US and are extremely difficult and expensive to get shipped. It's not a cost-effective option. You may find sellers on eBay, but you'll pay almost double for it. It's not a cost-effective option. In my opinion, a Fire TV Stick 4K Max is still a much better option for UK viewers, as there are no issues with having to sideload unreliable versions of UK apps such as iPlayer and ITVX, and it's available at a reasonable price when they are on sale. Let me know your thoughts on the ON 4K Pro in the comments section below. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up button, comment and subscribe to my channel, making sure that you turn on notifications so you don't miss out on any of my latest releases. These small actions from you make a big difference to me and help to improve how YouTube recommends my videos to potential subscribers, and I truly appreciate your help in making my channel grow. Don't forget that online privacy and security are more important now than ever before, and NordVPN is an excellent choice. I use it almost every day to help me unblock internet restrictions when streaming, such as this. With NordVPN connected, I can watch the content I enjoy from anywhere. You can easily download and install NordVPN's user-friendly app on all your devices, including Firestick, by searching for it in your App Store. With NordVPN, simply connect to any one of their servers to ensure that your online activities are unrestricted and protected from prying eyes and potential cyber threats. The Nord app has some very useful features for your Fire Stick, including threat protection to help keep your device safe from potential security threats by blocking access to malicious websites. Plus, AutoConnect makes connecting to a secure server a breeze by automatically connecting to a network without having to manually do it every time you want to use the internet. Split tunneling lets you choose which apps or websites use the VPN connection and which ones use your regular internet connection. These settings and features are essential for anyone who wants to have a secure and personalized online experience. Check out the links in the video description for the best deals and try it now, completely risk-free for 30 days. It's a little disappointing. Messing up already.